scratches, cracks, that stubborn musty smell, it's just not rain. It's your home calling for help. Here are 5 expert tips from HomeTriangle. Begin with a thorough inspection, roofs, walls and corners. Fixing small cracks before monsoons prevents bigger and costlier issues. Apply elastomeric or PU-based coatings to your terrace. These flexible coatings expand in heat and stay sealed when it pours. Even the tiniest airline cracks can allow the water in. Use waterproof putty to patch up your external walls. Clear out clogged drains and ensure proper water flow. Standing water is a hidden threat. Waterproofing isn't just a repair, it's protection. Always trust certified professionals with the right tools and techniques. Protect your home from the inside out. Book waterproofing service from HomeTriangle, where expertise meets assurance.